Tonight, as the world grows quiet and the air softens, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a calm, endless ocean. The sky above is deep and sleepy, sprinkled with faint stars that shimmer like secrets waiting to be told. And in front of you, the waves rise and fall in a slow, soothing rhythm, as if the earth itself is breathing gently, inviting you to breathe with it. The ocean has always been a keeper of mysteries. For thousands of years, sailors, dreamers, and wanderers have whispered stories about its depths. Stories of shadows no one has ever seen, lights that appear and vanish, and currents that move with a wisdom older than time. Tonight, you don't need a ship or a compass. Just let your mind drift, like a small boat carried by a peaceful tide. Allow the hush of the waves to guide you into a place where curiosity feels soft, where wonder is gentle, and where each thought moves like a quiet ripple across the water. The mysteries of the ocean are waiting for you, not to frighten you, but to cradle you with the comfort that some secrets of the world are simply meant to lull us into rest. Close your eyes and let the journey begin. As you drift deeper into this quiet journey, imagine looking out across the water and realizing something almost unbelievable. Most of the ocean, more than 80% of it, remains unexplored. Vast, silent, untouched, a world so large and hidden that even our most advanced ships and machines have only grazed its surface. Picture the darkness far below the waves, where sunlight cannot reach and every meter down feels like stepping into another universe. The deeper you go, the heavier the water presses, so heavy that no human body could survive it, so heavy that even steel begins to bend. This is why the ocean guards its secrets so closely. Our technology, as impressive as it is, still struggles to dive into the deepest trenches, where pressure grows fierce and the cold becomes sharper than winter. Scientists often say that we know more about outer space than we know about our own seas, and somehow that thought brings a soft kind of wonder that right here on our own planet lies a world still waiting to be understood. So as you relax and breathe slowly, imagine that vast, quiet expanse beneath you, a reminder that mystery doesn't always live far away. Sometimes it lies just beneath the surface, in a place both familiar and forever unknown. Let that thought drift with you, like a calm wave rolling toward the shore. As the night grows quieter, imagine yourself floating gently above the deep ocean, where the water turns dark and ancient. Down there, far below the reach of sunlight, the ocean sometimes whispers in ways that no one fully understands. For years, scientists have placed listening devices across the seafloor, hoping to hear the language of the deep. And what they found was unexpected: strange, echoing sounds rising from the darkness. There was the bloop, a powerful, booming noise, so loud it was heard thousands of kilometers away. For a moment, people wondered if it came from a giant creature still hiding in the unexplored depths. But later, scientists suggested a calmer explanation: massive ice sheets cracking and shifting in the cold waters of Antarctica. Then there were sounds like Julia and upsweep,
long, haunting tones that drift through the ocean like distant songs carried by the current. Some think they come from underwater volcanoes or tiny quakes in the seafloor. Others believe they may be currents pushing through hidden valleys that no human eyes have ever seen. Whatever their source, these sounds remind us that the ocean is alive in ways we cannot always see, singing, murmuring, shifting, breathing, a vast, dreaming world beneath our own. So as you lie back and let your thoughts soften, imagine those gentle, mysterious echoes rising from the deep. Not frightening, but ancient and calming, like lullabies sung by the earth itself. Let those quiet whispers drift around you and carry you a little deeper into rest.
As you continue drifting through the quiet ocean night, imagine the water around you slowly growing darker until it becomes a deep, velvety blue. In this silent world where sunlight cannot reach, something magical begins to happen. Tiny sparkles appear, at first just a few, like stars scattered beneath the waves. Then more begin to glow, swirling softly around you, as if the ocean itself has decided to light a lantern in the dark. This is bioluminescence, a natural glow created by living creatures. Plankton that shimmer like stardust, jellyfish that pulse with gentle blue rings, fish that carry small lanterns beneath their fins, guiding themselves through the deepest shadows. It may feel like magic, but there is a quiet science behind it. Inside these creatures is a special molecule called luciferin, which glows when it reacts with oxygen. With the help of tiny enzymes, these lights can appear suddenly, a flash to confuse a predator, a sparkle to attract a mate, a gentle glow to call out to others in the dark. Down here, in the stillness of the deep, light becomes a language, a way to survive, a way to speak without sound. Imagine drifting through a slow-moving galaxy of blue-green light, each glow soft and welcoming, each flicker a reminder that even in the darkest places, something beautiful is always alive. Let that quiet glow surround you, warm and tranquil, as if the ocean is gently whispering, "Even in darkness, there is always light." And as the soft lights fade into gentle ripples, you feel yourself drifting deeper into calm, carried safely by the glow of the deep sea. As you float deeper into this quiet, imagined sea, the water around you grows colder, stiller, and darker than night itself. You are entering the hadal zone, a place so deep that only the world's deepest ocean trenches can reach it. A realm beginning 6,000 meters below the surface, where pressure grows stronger than anything you can imagine. Down here, the weight of the water is immense, thousands of times greater than the air above the ocean. Yet in this silent, crushing darkness, life continues with a quiet determination. Picture strange, gentle creatures moving slowly through the cold. Fish with soft, flexible bones that bend instead of breaking. Transparent bodies that let faint light pass through them. Enzymes inside their cells that stay strong even under the weight of the deep. Their lives follow a calm rhythm, slow movements, slow breathing, slow hearts. Nothing is rushed. Everything is quiet. The seafloor here is shaped like underwater mountains and valleys, formed over millions of years. Sometimes, earthquakes rumble through these hidden trenches, but the creatures simply drift on, as if they have learned to live in harmony with the trembling earth. Scientists once believed nothing could survive this deep, but each time we dare to explore a little farther, we discover more. New species, new shapes, new ways life has learned to adapt in absolute darkness. So as you breathe softly, imagine this deep, peaceful world far below your feet. A world untouched, patient, and serene. A reminder that even in the most extreme places, life finds a way to glow, to move, to exist quietly. Let the stillness of the hadal zone calm your thoughts, like a soft weight settling gently over your mind, inviting you deeper into rest.